Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be having something new. I've seen this on Instagram and I said I have to try this. They're called Cosmic Wings and they sell hot Cheetos wings and hot Cheetos cheese bites. It's basically everything hot Cheetos. They have the regular Cheetos and the Flamin hot Cheetos, so we're going to be trying both today. I have my bag here right next to me and we're going to see how everything looks, guys, and not look inside the bag, so I don't even know what they look like, if they look good or anything. So I am so excited to try it out. I've never had like the hot Cheetos wings, anything like that. So it is my first time trying anything like this out. First thing we have is the Flamin hot Cheetos wings. And it comes with their ranch. Oh, I love how breaded they are. Like, they did not miss a spot. Hopefully you guys can see that, and it smells so good. Sometimes when it comes with stuff like this, sometimes you expect them not to be generous, but they did a great job with like coating it with hot Cheetos. So I am so excited. It looks so good. It smells really, really good. Next thing we have is the regular Cheetos wings. Ooh, and they snapped with the breading. Like, they breaded that really, really good. It smells delicious, it looks good, and it comes with this ranch as well. Here is the hot Cheetos cheese bites. And you guys know that I have to take a bite of this. I cannot wait to try this with the ranch. This is what it looks like. Hot Cheetos are good. That is good. Ooh, I cannot wait to have it with this ranch. So I have the regular Cheetos cheese bites right here. Right here. Ooh, everything looks so good. I don't even know how I'm gonna fit everything on my tray. And then here are the waffle fries. Last but not least, just regular waffle fries. Oh, they're so big. Comes with its ranch. So let me just go ahead and get everything all set up. I want to start off with the hot Cheetos wings. I've seen people have them before, like they make it and stuff, and I've never tried it before, so I was really excited when I seen this on Instagram. And let's start with the flat. Ooh, this looks so good. Ooh, that is good. Whoa, that is really, really good. Yum. The ranch is good, the flavor is good of the wings, the texture is good. I get so happy when like I try new stuff and it tastes really, really good. Sometimes it's okay or it's like less than what I expected, but y'all, this tastes really, really good. The hot Cheetos isn't like, you guys know when you have hot Cheetos, like honestly it's not even that hot. So these wings aren't really like spicy as hell, but this is so good. Like I said, I just love how much they put like the breading, the hot Cheetos. They weren't like lazy or anything, and they actually did that. So I really appreciate when like these restaurants do that. Yum, I love these. I'm for sure gonna have these again. They are so, so good. Before I finish that, let me try these regular Cheetos. Start with a flat again. I definitely like the hot Cheetos better. This one has like that cheesy taste. You guys know like the Cheetos, how the cheesy Cheetos taste, but it's just like a wing mixture with like the Cheetos, the regular Cheetos and wings, so it's like kind of like odd for me. I always love like my wings hot, so for that, like, it was great, like the hot Cheetos one. But this one is like, I don't want to say a weird taste, but it's like a taste I'm not used to with my wings. For me, I prefer hot Cheetos than regular Cheetos, so that one was like bomb. Definitely, if you're like a Cheetos fan more than a hot Flaming Cheetos person, then go for that one. But if you're like a Flaming Hot Cheetos fan, then this one's it right here. Let me try their cheesy bites. I didn't try the Cheetos one. I definitely prefer these cheesy bites. I'm getting the Cheetos cheesy bites and their wings. Like I said, I found this place through Instagram, and I was like, this place is probably not even by me. It's only probably in California. So then I go and click it, and surprisingly there was one by me. And then I read that it's actually an Applebee's ghost restaurant, something like that. So basically they make the food in Applebee's, so it's not an actual restaurant like that you're going to see the name and everything, Cosmic Wings. It's actually going to be inside of Applebee's, and it's only exclusively to Uber Eats, so you can only order it through Uber Eats. So if you guys know like how the Applebee's wings taste, like, I'm sure, I honestly forgot how they taste, but I'm sure it's similar to this since they use like the same kitchen. Yum, I'm loving this hot Cheetos. This hot Cheetos everything. And with this ranch. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys the price of these, how much everything is. Okay, so these wings were 9 pieces for $13. The cheesy bites were $8. and the waffle fries were $3.49. I will say that I feel like it's like for 9 pieces it's too much, because they're charging $13 for 9 pieces. So normally when, you know, we buy our wings, it's $10 for 10 pieces. But for them, it's $13 for 9 pieces. And of course, like they have, I think, 18 pieces and even 30 pieces that you can choose from. But everything else, like the fries, I feel like they give you a good amount. The cheesy bites, they give you a good amount. And it comes with their ranch. So for that, like, I feel the price is good. They also have different lemonades. I heard they were good. I was gonna order it, but I'm like, let me just have my water so that I can at least have a taste of everything. Oh, pretty. And their ranch is good too, I'm not gonna lie. This reminds me of the time when I had the hot Cheetos carne asada. Like, I did a video on it a long time ago, and it's like bringing me back. And I remember how good that was. Like, I feel like everything hot Cheetos is like good. It tastes delicious. That carne asada was so freaking good with the elote. I kind of want to go back to that place now. I haven't been there since I did that video. This is actually my first meal since like yesterday. Yeah, my air conditioner has not been working for the past 2 days. And my landlord's like, he has like his own guy that fixes the AC. And he's like, oh, he has an emergency, he can't come. I live in Florida, like the AC is a must-have here. And I ended up like calling this guy I found on Yelp to see if like what his estimate is and everything. And of course, like, it has to go through the landlord to approve it. I got an estimate, and I called the landlord, and he's like, no, that's too much. That his guy is able to come on Friday, and today's Wednesday. So I'm like, oh my god, another 2 days without the AC. So yeah, I have not been wanting to eat. Like, literally last night all I ate for dinner was cereal. In no mood to eat. It was like humid, it was so hot, and then on top of that I have to wait till Friday to get it fixed. But you guys, you know, it's weird that, like, I feel like if I was like a landlord, I would not, like, I would feel so bad having like my tenants without AC, especially in Florida. Like, if we're in New York or we're in whatever, Washington, like, okay, the heat is not that bad, but in Florida, you guys, and it's spring on top of that, Like for me, I'm like, I don't know how these people can like let their tenants be without AC passing one day, honestly. For me, I'll just pay what I have to pay, even though my guy can't make it for another 2 days. Like I would feel really bad leaving my tenants without AC. Plus we have kids and everything. Thankfully my kids aren't fussy, like we have the fans on them and like everything, but even when we step outside or we open the window, it's like heat coming out of it. This is like my first actual meal since yesterday. And I am so happy that it actually tasted good, because I needed a good meal today, honestly. Okay, you guys, last bites. It for today's video. I really enjoyed everything. The wings, the cheesy bites, the fries, everything was really good. You guys already know that for me the hot Cheetos was the best. I really enjoyed these wings with the cheesy bites. If you guys are more into the regular Cheetos, I would of course try this one. If you're more into the Flamin' Hot Cheetos, give this one a try. I feel like you guys would love it as much as I did. Let me know down below if you have tried Cosmic Wings and what you thought about it. If you guys are wanting to try it, it's only available through Uber Eats, so go ahead and search up Cosmic Wings and see if they have it in your area. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Leave me any more suggestions down below in the comment box. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.